Most people get this wrong when choosing between Albert and Chime. They assume these apps do the same thing, because both help users manage money. Here's the truth no one tells you. Albert and Chime are built for different financial needs, and picking the wrong one could mean missing out on features you actually need. In this video, you'll learn the biggest differences between Albert and Chime in 2026, who each platform is best for, and how to decide which one deserves a place on your phone. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to understand is that Albert is primarily a financial management app, while Chime functions more like a financial technology platform that offers banking-related services. Albert focuses on budgeting tools, spending insights, saving features, and cash advance options for eligible users. Its goal is to help you understand and manage your money better. Chime is often used as an everyday spending account. Users can receive direct deposits, use debit cards, track transactions, and access various account features through the app. For example, imagine John wants help creating a budget and monitoring his spending habits. Albert may be a better fit because financial management is a major part of the experience. Now imagine Jake wants a simple account for receiving paychecks, making purchases, and managing day-to-day spending. Chime may be the more practical choice. But here's the problem. Many people compare only one feature, like cash advances or savings tools, instead of looking at their overall financial goals. This is where most people fail. The better app depends on what you're actually trying to accomplish. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One of the biggest differences is how you interact with each platform daily. With Albert, you may spend more time reviewing spending habits, checking recommendations, and using money management tools. With Chime, many users focus on everyday banking activities such as deposits, transfers, and purchases. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide between them. Before choosing either option, review the latest fees, eligibility requirements, available features, and account terms directly through the official apps. Features can change over time, and availability may vary based on your situation. Here's the simple decision framework. Choose Albert if your main goal is budgeting, financial tracking, and accessing money management tools in one place. Choose Chime if your priority is an account designed for everyday spending, deposits, and basic financial management. The good news is that some users even use both. One for managing money, and the other for daily transactions. To recap, Albert is generally stronger for budgeting and financial insights, while Chime is often preferred for everyday money management and account features. If this comparison helped you decide, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial app reviews and comparisons, and leave a comment telling us which one you're considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.